Hello everyone, my name is Kim and I'm a health coach. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I want to talk about diabetes. I want to talk about what diabetes is, and I want to talk about some ways that we can possibly prevent diabetes. All right. Now, according to the CDC, diabetes is a chronic health condition that affects how our bodies turn food into energy. So yes, diabetes is the way our bodies turn food into energy. So it's a very serious condition. So if you suspect that you may have diabetes, I would contact my doctor immediately. All right. Now, the first way that we can prevent diabetes is cut out sugar and refined carbohydrates. Now, sugar is a big culprit when it comes to diabetes, so you definitely need to cut the sugar. And carbohydrates are actually in healthy and unhealthy foods, so we just need to eat carbohydrates in moderation. All right. Now, the next one that I want to talk about is smoking. Now, you need to quit smoking if you are a smoker, because smoking can contribute to insulin resistance, which can lead to type 2 diabetes. So you definitely want to make sure that you are quitting smoking if you want to prevent getting diabetes. All right. And the next one that I want to talk about is watch your portion sizes. I know in America we are about the big portion sizes, but when we're eating large portion sizes, that can spike our insulin and blood sugar levels. So when you cut that out, that decreases the risk of type 2 diabetes over time. So definitely cut out the large portion sizes when you're eating so that you can prevent diabetes over time. All right. And the next one that I want to talk about is drink water. I talk about water a lot because water is great for so many things. So when it comes to diabetes, drinking water instead of other beverages may help control blood sugar and insulin levels, and in turn, helping you reduce the risk of diabetes. So definitely drink lots and lots of water. All right. And the last one that I want to talk about is eat fiber. Now, fiber is great for many things. So when you're eating fiber is great for gut health and weight management. So consuming a good fiber source at each meal can prevent spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels and may help reduce the risk of developing diabetes. So yeah, definitely fiber is good for your gut health and weight management, and that will actually help you prevent diabetes over time. All right, so that's all I wanted to talk to you guys about today. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I would love for you guys to be a part of the tribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I put up a new video. Thank you so much again. And until next time, bye-bye.